It has been a while since we did the OG intro, so without further ado, what is poppin', people? And welcome back to yet another tattoo product review. Today's product is going to be the Dragonhawk Mast Archer 2. It is a brand new machine by Dragonhawk, so let's get into it. As always, full disclosure, Dragonhawk did send me this machine. However, this is not a sponsored video and no money has exchanged hands. All opinions expressed in this review are just that. They are my opinions, so take them as you will. Now, the Archer 2's price comes in at $189 American and 160 of your great British pounds. In the box, you get the machine and one charging cable. The weight of this machine comes in at 205 grams, which puts it in line with the Fold Pro. I think the Fold Pro was 200 grams. The machine is direct drive and comes with an MCAR R1 brushless motor with a 3.5 cam. As standard, the machine comes with a 33mm grip, is wireless and has USB-C type charging. And Dragonhawk on their website state that this machine can run continuously for over 6 hours. They have also included a sleek design with an ambient light feature where you can, pick the color that you want to work with. So on to the pros. Well, the first thing that you will notice when you buy this machine and you start to run this machine is just how incredibly soft this machine is, which makes it great for black and gray tattooing, but also getting those super smooth color blends. Now, I would not buy this machine for color packing, but more on that later. The machine can line if you push that voltage up. It shades absolutely beautifully, and it can also pack black. However, it is, like I said, extremely soft, so it will require some adjustment from you, the artist. Now, battery life, as always, depends on the voltage that you are using and how hard your machine is working. But when I was using this machine, I used it for around 4 to 5 hours and still had battery remaining at 8.7 volts. So with Dragonhawk saying that this machine can run continuously for over 6 hours, I can believe it. Dragonhawk have also updated the display on the Archer 2 to bring more clarity, making it easier to see the information on screen. The build quality of the machine feels nice. It doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels like this machine was made with love. I don't know if that makes sense, but it feels like they really put in the time to make this machine. So on to the cons. Now, just like a Pro, this machine is extremely soft, which can be a con for some people. For aspects of black and grey and blending and colour blending, this machine is what you are going to want. But for colour packing, it just does not have that punch needed. Now, it can colour pack. I'm not saying it can't colour pack, and it can pack black absolutely fine. But like it doesn't have that drive that you want for colour packing. I want the machine to drive home that pigment, and this machine just does not do that. If any of you have used the Dragonhawk Spirit when that first came out, that's the type of feeling I get with this machine when I try to color pack. Although it can do it and it can take adjustment, it's just the drive for it is just not there for me. The next con would be that the machine doesn't have an RCA function, so you are solely relying on that wireless battery to keep you going throughout your entire session. Now, I didn't try using the USB-C charging cable to charge while I'm working, but I suspect you can't do that. But for the price of the machine and with how good the battery is, being at 2000 milliamps, I think you'll be fine, honestly. I see absolutely no deal breakers with this machine. Now, this machine is not an all-rounder in my opinion. However, with adjustment, it can line, it can pack, and it definitely can shade. But if you are wanting a black and grey machine that's nice and soft, that can give you those soft blends, and can give you those soft color blends, then this machine is definitely for you. If you do want to purchase this machine, as always, there's an affiliate link in the description where you can get some money off. If you are new around here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Do not forget to like this video. Likes really do help. I help you, you help me. Like the video. And do not forget to turn on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I will see you all in the next one. Peace out. Muchest love. Fade to black.